This conference will now be recorded.
So right, all of you, good morning. So today we have to discuss about borders, margins and paddings. Let us discuss about these two first. If we have time, we will discuss about box model, background also. Okay, maybe it will take time today. Let us complete this first of all. Okay, so first let us see the border concept. Border is there as well as outline also there. Border, outline. What is an outline? What is a border? That we will see. Okay, right. For example, you have a square or rectangle, whatever it may be. We need one border color. We need one border color for it. And border size, and I mean it's a styled border or a different border or different styles of border. How to apply? Generally, we have three things: border, style, border style. One more is going to be border color. What is the color of the border? And other one is going to be border size or width. Border size or width. Ante how much border? Thick border, thin border, or medium border? What is the size of the border? What is the color of the border? What is the style of the border? Three values: style, color, size. Okay, let's go there. Let us create a small HTML file and let me show you the border concept. Let us create a new file. Borders.html is a file. Go to your 11am CSS folder. Let me save this file into it. Yeah, borders.html. Let us remove this. One div I can keep here. You remove everything from here. This is the div. Okay, right now there is no content also. Just there is a div in the body. How I can identify the div in CSS? By using its class. Identifying in the sense selecting an element. How do I identify it? By using class. What is the class? Block. For this block, all of you see this carefully. I am setting some height 200px and I am setting some width also in pixels 200px. Height width 200 and 200. So now if I can go and refresh the page, can I see the height and width? Anything? No. Why? You set height width, na? Okay, at least you have to set some border or background color. Then only we will see this. Let us see the background property. Background color is a property. I am providing red color. Then you will see height width. Because if there is nothing under it is white space. In white space, it is also white space. That's why we are unable to say anything. So that's why we set some height width, but we are unable to see that height and width. Why? Because background color white, this color is also white. That's why default is white and white. That's why I set the color. Sir, I don't want this background color. If it is a background color, remove. This is coming like this. I need a border, sir. There is a property called border. Property called border. Border, three values you can provide here. 1 pixel, size of the border. And another one is going to be style, solid style. And another one is going to be the color of the border is going to be red border. So three values we have to provide with a space separated border. Border size, border style, border color. Three values. Now I'm refreshing the page. Able to see? Border able to see now? Okay, this is looks very small, sir. I need more in size. That's why I'm doing what? 10 pixel. Earlier 1 pixel. Now this is thick border. Thick border. And now I want to make more 20 pixels border, sir. Yeah, you can see the border called 20 pixels border. Like this, we can increase the border size. Now I'm writing 200 pixels border and maybe I mean, so this is a 200 pixels. This is not required. Just I'm telling you. So the size of the border, how do we increase the size? Just we need 5 pixel border is enough actually for me. And then take the 5 pixel. How much you have to take it? You can decide the border. And this is the border of the div. Solid is the style. I don't want a solid style, sir. Red color, okay. Uh, don't want solid. We have some different values are there for it, guys. Dashed. What is the style of it? Dashed style. What is the meaning of dashed style? Oh, all of you see this carefully. Dashed means it will come like this. I don't want a solid thick border. I don't want. I want a border like this. Okay, fine. If you can increase the border size, I'm writing 10. Is it okay? Fine. This is coming like this. Okay, border, thick border. Border, dotted border. What is the meaning of dotted border? Okay, border is coming like this. I want to write something called double border. Double border style is what? Double. What it is going to be? It's a double line border. So border ridge, very good. Ridge, R-I-D-G, ridge. Ridge means what it is? Able to see some different style, able to see. Okay, wait for a second. Let us make this is going to be 30 thick border I am providing, and for getting more clarity, if you can refresh the page now, can we see? It's look like a frame, right? For a photo, we will see a frame. It look like a frame. I need a frame border. What is the property called? Ridge is the value. Not only ridge, we have something called groove also at the opposite of this ridge only. Opposite of ridge. Just try to see the darkness will come outside. Oh, sorry, what happening? Spell mistake. Double O, GROV groove. Now, if you can refresh, now you see groove is coming something like opposite of ridge. There is no difference. If you can write ridge, then RIDGE, ridge. Just try to refresh and you see the darkness will come inside. That's the only thing, the difference. And you have to understand the things practically. Okay, this is what border. We can write individually also. For example, you see, I am writing, just now you written the value border property. We can write like this also, or we can write like this. Just border, you written what? Size, style, color. All we can write in one line. This is called shorthand property. Otherwise, we can write individually also. Like this also we can write. Let us see. Two ways we can write. Border hyphen style. Border style solid. Border hyphen color. Border color red. I just written two. If I refresh, are you getting anything? Yeah, we are getting something. What is the size of the border? We didn't mention size, right? Let us go for the property called border hyphen. Sorry, I think border width, I believe. Border width, not size, sorry. 10 pixels I am taking. Now, if we can take 10 pixel the border, this is the width of it. Okay. We written like this. Why should I write these three times like this? Just by using border, 10 pixel and solid and red, we can write it all in one line. This is expanded. This is shorthand property. Shorthand in one line, how we can write all these three properties. This is called shorthand property. Yeah, that is called shorthand property. So either you can, either you can go like this, either you can go like this. Anyone you can write it always. No need to write all the things. Now, if you can go and check this now, can you see? And if you can write this, this is going to be like this. Okay, now, right. Otherwise, even if you can write this also, this is also fine. Now, just refresh the page. This is also will be like this. Okay, anyone is going to be valid either this way, either this way. Anyone you can write it. Okay. Style means what are the values of the style? Solid, ORR, dotted, ORR, dashed. Anyone we can write it, dashed, or RIDG, ridge, or groove, GROO, groove. And what is anything mixed here? Dashed, dotted, ridge, double, 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 and none. I don't want any border. None means no border. So sometimes for some elements border will come automatically. If you can write border none, there is no border for it. We will show you after some time why this border none is a helper there, right? Border color, you know, color names, color codes, or anything. All the colors, you know, maybe you can take. Size, border size in pixels, size in px. Not only pixels, we will discuss about these sizes later. We can go in pixels, percentages, em, and width, centimeter, inches, like this also we can go. Like this also we can go, that we will talk about later. Right now we will provide the width and dimensions, everything in pixels only. Can you see now what I am doing here? I am providing 200 pixels, 200 pixels. Otherwise you can write this is also going to be 20% width and 20% width also. Percentage in the sense the whole screen of the laptop is divided into 100%. In the 100%, 20% of the screen That's the meaning of it. Okay. So now if we can write 20%, 20%, maybe the box will look, oh, why this is going to be maybe height 20%. Correct, na? Height with why this is maybe I think we have set auto. 1 minute. Let us set the auto height. Maybe if we can set auto height, it is not working. Anything wrong here? I have. Sorry. With 20%, that's fine. What is the problem of it? Height width we can provide in percentages. Why not? Okay, let us provide this into 200 pixels only. If I provide in 200 pixels, anything wrong? Oh, border we missed. Sorry, border is required, right? Sorry, 2 pixels solid red border. Yeah, take the same thing, red border. Refresh the page now. Height is adding. Okay, fine. I think height we cannot set in percentage. Width okay, we can set in percentages. But real time low ఒక point. We will never provide the width in pixels. Width in pixels. Width always in percentages only. We will never use pixels. We will always use width in percentages. Why we have to use percentages? That we will discuss in responsive web design. Not required right now. Right now you can go for anything. 200 pixels or percentage or anything you can go for it. It's no problem. But in the real time, we will never go for pixels for width. Height okay. Height pixels or auto anything. But the width is always going to be percentages only. Percentages only. Then only you will get very good responsive web applications. Okay, right. Okay, this is block. Size in pixels, color is going to be red or green or anything. So red or green or any color code also we can write, that we will see later. So these are the some values, right? Next, this is the border. Remember, now you provided a border value 10 pixel. Obviously, this is coming like this. Okay, right. So 400 means width is 400. Now it is going to be rectangle. Equal dimensions if you can provide, that is going to be rectangle. If you can provide something, this is square. Now I provided equal dimension. Now this is going to be a square width. This is going to be a square box. Okay, fine. There is a property border hyphen top top. And it is going to be just border top only top border. Because of border, what happening? I'm getting all 4 sides same size border, same color border. All 4 sides I need different size, different color, different types styles of border I need. So by default, what border can give you? Border can give you all 4 sides same style, color, red, all 4 sides same style, as well as this is also. No, I don't want this way. I want a different thing. Then you can enhance the property like this. Border top. You write the top property, only top. Of course, background color also you want to add. You can add the background color for more clarity. This is going to be yellow, green. I'm adding. Right. Just try to see. This is the actual box. On top of the box, you are having border top. Border top. So border bottom. Okay, I want to write border bottom. So let us copy the property border bottom. Border bottom 10 pixel red. Now you see 10 pixel red border. Fine. Obviously, tell me please border left. Very good. Border left 10 pixel solid. I'm writing blue border. Okay. Then what is going to be happen now? This is going to be blue and border RIGHT right, border right. Now if you can go and take this now, this is the 4-side border. Or for all 4 different colors you want, yeah, you can take different colors also. Green I am taking, blue I am taking, red. Okay, this you can take. This is going to be something called yellow. All 4 sides now different. Like this also we can take. But if we think that all 4 sides the same style, same color, don't write like this. If you think all 4 sides same ante, why should I write this 4 times? All 4 sides you need same. Then simply border 10 pixel solid red border. All 4 sides same. All 4 sides same size, same channel. Then you can write like this. Generally, we will never go for different color. We will always go the same color. Maybe alternative. Top, bottom, one color, left, right, one color we can see. But all 4s may be different color. We may not. Right? We can go like this also. Yeah. What is the border property? So we can write borders like this also. Only top, only bottom, only left also we can write. This is also valid. See, one border. Border is a shorthand property. Here, because of writing this, all four sides we are getting. So individually we can write like this also. Only style, only color also. 99% we will never use this, but 99% we will use this only in the real time. Why? Because in single line we can complete all the style, all the border. But if you think all four sides are different, then you have to use this. You can use this all four sides, top border, bottom, and bottom left and right are different borders. You can go like this. Okay, right. So now I am done. So this is the border property, all four sides. This is going to be something. Okay, right. Next property, border radius. Next property, border radius. Border radius always in pixels. I provided in pixels or percentage also we can provide 10 pixel. Okay, right. Let us go for the property called border hyphen radius. I am providing 10 pixel. Okay, right, semicolon. Border red, border radius. All of you watch it carefully. This is before refreshing. And now I am refreshing the page. Do you observe any difference? Right, the corners of the box turn to curving. Nothing but curved borders. Curved borders. Okay, fine. Sorry, what happening? System looks like stuck. Wait for a second. Give me 1 minute. System look like hanged. What a heat. Yeah. Continue. So let us open the editor. Yes. So if we can run the file, what is the output we are getting? So we are getting curved border like this. This is a curved border where we are getting like this. If this value I'm incrementing this to 50, then what is going to be happen now? Okay, right? Happening. Yeah. So if I increase the value to 100, oh, so if I do more value 150 or 120, this will become a circle. The square is turned to circle. If you can provide more than 100%, of course in percentages also you can provide. Let me check the percentage. 100% you can provide. 100%, exactly 100% if we can take the same thing. Yeah, same thing also in percentages also. For example, if you can write this into 75%, what is happening 75%? Oh, if you take the same thing, 25% I am taking, take the 25%. Okay, so little percentages and pixels are not same and they vary. So in the calculation that we will see later. So right now, okay, let us go for more than 120 pixels. I believe 120 pixels more than it will become a circle. Definitely it is going to become a circle. For example, if we can change the width to this is going to be 300, then will it become a circle? It cannot become a circle. Why? Because if you want to make anything circle, it has equal height, equal width. This cannot become a circle because dimensions are very na, always equal height, equal width, we can make it a circle. Otherwise this will become like this, 120 pixels border radius, border radius. Because of this is coming like this. If you don't want border, then background color is there, right? Because of I'm removing the border, just border radius only. To the background color, this is applied like this, only background color. For the background color you want set any border, yeah, you can set the border also. Now to this border I am writing, this is going to be groove, GROOVE, groove border. I am taking the border like this. Maybe this is going to be look like this, the border is coming like this. Okay, so right now border top, you see the beauty. So make this 200 pixels only, border top only. I'm not writing anything. Border top, what is border top? Just a border top. I'm not adding all the things. I'm just playing with the values. If I add one value, if I remove one value, what is happening? I just want to play. So this is the border something. So border top is good. And border I'm writing, this is going to be left, left, top left only. Now if I write top left, then what is going to be happen now? This is coming like this. You can use better combination of the color. I am just using this. So why should I use? You can use anyone, no problem. So this is going to be border right, RIGHT, right. Just right combination I'm using. If I use right combination, so this is coming like this. So I don't want this top value. So if I don't want this top value, then what is going to be happen now? Left and right only. Why we can't do like this? If I add all the things, they are adding properly. So if I add this, if I add that, what is happening? I want to know this, right? That's why we are doing like this. Okay, right. So you can play like this. So just you want border, yeah, that's fine. So you can write like this also. For example, if you just need only border, all four sides same border you need, then you can go for it. Just a border, sorry, just a border only. I don't want all this stuff. Just a border only I want to take. Just a border 1 pixel. So means this is going to be a border like this. So dotted border, dashed border, double border, DASHED, dashed border. Now if you can refresh, now it will be come like this. This is going to be a dashed border, dotted border. So how you want, you can take the border, right? Okay, can we rotate this circle? At a circle, okay, a wheel, like a wheel, can I rotate this? Then it looks more animative, right? Yes, we can do that too also by using CSS animations. We have to wait for some time. So that is CSS 3 animations part is there. By using animation, I want to rotate the circle, I want to flip the circle, I want to rotate the circle like this. For example, I want to take a image, bus image. I want to travel the bus. At the end of it, it has to take U-turn and you have to come back to the same position. How we can animate this using CSS? So we have a lot of animation concepts are there. We will see that too also. And it's by seeing this image, I thought that if it is started rotating, looks good. I'm feeling like this. I need this. What is the property? You also try this by Google. I have a circle. I want to make the circle to rotate. How do I make the circle to rotate? I didn't tell you, but you want to find, you can find. How do you find? Ask ChatGPT. It will do everything for you. Okay, now at least you don't know how to write the code. At least you should know how to copy paste the code. In real time, what we will do? Are you writing the code? 99% we will copy paste. How good we are in copy paste. This is what we will do in the real time. Fact. This is a fact. Any code we are having, first we will Google. We will find the code, we will copy paste the code, and we will modify the code as per our requirement. That's all. Task is completed within 10 minutes. Really, believe me or not. Why we are learning this? Sir, if everything is copy paste, why should I learn this? I can copy paste it. First of all, to enter into the company, you should learn some technology, right? To enter into the company, you cannot do copy paste. We have to write the code. After entering the company, you can do anything. At the end of the day, whether you completed the task or not, how you did it, copy pasted, no one will check whether the task is completed as per the company requirement or not. This is what at the end of the day. And we have to be very good in subject, we have to be very good in copy paste. Yes, right? Okay, right. Next one is going, this is the border radius. All of you see this carefully. This border radius we can write like this also. Border top left radius, like this also we can write. Border top left radius, border top right radius, border bottom right bottom left, of course, very good, bottom right and bottom left radius also we can write. Bottom left to bottom right to top left to top right. So what is going to be happen if I write like this? Let us see. I have border radius, all four sides 120 pixels. Now I am writing, this is going to be border hyphen top hyphen left hyphen radius, border top left radius only. If I can go and refresh the, okay, first of all, let us do one thing. Make this circle first. This is, sorry, not circle, this is a square. This is actual thing. So this is going to be dashed and you write solid. Simply write solid. Solid we are writing. Okay. Now I'm adding this property. Border top left. What is top left? This is top left. Na? Top left. Let me save this file as well. Let me go and refresh the page. If I refresh, what happening to top left? This is coming like this. Okay. Border bottom RIGHT bottom right radius. Because of this, what is going to be happening? Oh, this will become like this. Okay, right. So border bottom left radius. I'm taking left radius. Then it is going to be look like a leaf, something like this. Whatever it is going to be. So because we can generate different type of shapes by using this border property and border radius property. So you see, border, this is going to be a top color, border top, only top color I am writing. So because of top, okay, border right I am taking, this is going to be RIGHT right. So if I write right color, what is going to happen? Wow, this is coming like this. Just I am playing with the values. If you can also play with the values and properties, you will get different shapes, different design. That is ultimately what is CSS ante designing. Everybody will say CSS and HTML is very easy. Yes or not, right? Yes or not? Very easy. What we can do by using HTML and CSS ante, we can create the designs. Nothing but we can create a web page. We can create a login page. I want to ask you one thing. Back-end development is easy or front-end development is easy? Or else wait for a second. Front-end designing is easy or development is easy, or designing is easy, or development is easy? Which one is easy? Designing is easy or development is easy? How many of you say developer? Development is easy. Everybody say designing is easy. Okay. What is easy? Designing or development? Sorry, development is easy, na? Huh? Designing is easy. Kadabba, you have to say, right? You are learning. What is your opinion? Just I'm asking you about your opinion. Development is easy, na? Designing is easy, na? Sir, as of now, we didn't enter into development, sir. As of now, we are learning designing only. So the designing is easy. So we don't know about development because we didn't enter into development. Kada? So what we will feel personally as an employee, I'm telling you, designing is a donkey work. What is work? తెలుసు కదా తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం గాడిద చాకరీ. Designing is what? Because it's very easy to learn, very easy to work. Why this is called donkey work, remember carefully. I feel I worked both designer as well as developer also. Development I will feel very happy. Asalu ela ante how to say, any logic they given, just 15 to 20 minutes logic will be completed, so we can sit freely the whole day. Any issue came, just half an hour work for me, development. So small logic I have to write it, I have to sit together, that's all, whole day I can sit. Designing, morning 9 you started, evening 6 p.m. also you have to start working on it. It is not one day's job, it's not 2 day job. And one more thing, it is very hard. The design is very hard. Why very hard? It is very easy to learn. Okay, it is very easy to learn. Why this is becoming very hard ante, the design you are doing, it should be satisfied by everybody. For example, you are developing a design for a customer, the whole night you did a design, and tomorrow you are showing to me, because I am your manager or lead, you are showing to me, I said this is very good, you did very good job. How did you do? Under the whole night I hard work, sir, I complete the design. And we sit together, we are giving the demo to the customer. What customer will say simply, I never ever seen this kind of worst design, but we are assuming that this design is very good. See, the problem is what, satisfying the customer with the design is a highly important thing. I can design, you can design, everybody can design, but ultimate at the end of it, the design you are doing for a customer satisfaction is very important. If customer says okay, it's fine, because customer said I never ever seen this kind of worst design. That's why what we have to do, sir, give me one more day, sir, I will work again, I will show you tomorrow, ready, design is ready. Again we sit together to give the demo to the customer is saying that okay, this is better than yesterday. He's not satisfied, he's saying just better than yesterday, little improvements again. So again we are sitting together, okay, tomorrow again demo, somewhat better than previous 2 days. See, ultimate concept is what ante, he is unable to satisfy the design you did. The biggest problem with the design is what? Everybody can see now, front end, right? Everybody can see, everybody think that my website should looks good. By seeing this website, everybody said okay, this website looks very good. Who did such a kind of impression they need? Back end development, right? No one can see, that's a behind code, na 10 lines of code, you write it and you leave it, no one can see the back end. I will feel always very happy to work as a developer, not as a front end. Maybe you people are thinking that because of its easiness, you are saying that front end is easy in the sense learning wise is easy, but satisfying the customer with the design you did is difficult. So then finally, what is easy? Designing is easy to learn, but satisfying the customer is difficult at the end of the day. That's why okay, Andy, you created one website today for a customer. Will you create the same website for all the customers, sir? 100 customers, 100 same websites, huh? No, they will go legally on you. Why are you giving the same websites to everybody? Designing is a creative job. Development is not required to creative. You don't need to be such a creative. Designing is what? Creative. You have to be always creative. Your thoughts should be creative, then only you can become very good designer. If anybody want to be a designer, everybody should be a creative designer. same every day, same design for every customer ante you cannot, right? Development wise also, if you want to say, it's all about logics. Sometimes and we have to write some logics. The whole day we sit together to write one logic. At the end of it, how many number of lines of code ante? 2 lines of code we written. Such a situation is also there. We worked for 2 or 3 days to write 2 lines of code. That is what logic. Logic should work with brain. We have to think such a way. Some logics we cannot get immediately. So why it is taking 2 days of time? 2 lines code. To write the 2 lines of code will take 2 days of time. No, right? It is not correct. Designing in the sense you will write lot of number of lines of code. Okay, maybe 2 days or 3 days you can say okay. But sometimes logics we have to write it. We are writing just 2 lines of code only. We are writing 4 lines of code only. Maybe it is taking the whole day. What could be the reason? Maybe any guesses? What is the reason? Maybe why we are taking just 2 days of time or 3 days of time to write the 2 lines of code? Ante remember, who can write very good logics? Tell me, you or me? I think I already told you. Who can write very good logics? You or me? Me, na? Because I am trainer, I am an experienced person. That's why I can write very good logics, sir. Maybe why you are not? Ante, sir, we are just learning, sir, how we can write very good logics. Ante, maybe you will say the answer like this. Remember, who can write very good logics? One more thing. Don't underestimate anybody, and don't underestimate yourself also. The biggest problem with us ఏంటంటే we will underestimate ourselves, we will discourage ourselves. ఇది ఎట్లా నా వల్ల కాదులే ఎందుకులే అనేసి ఒక you will get some kind of underestimation. Yes sir? Seriously, we will get it. Anyhow it is not possible. So such a kind of underestimation. Remember, if you want to write very good logics, remember carefully, understanding the requirement is very very important. If we can understand the requirement from the customer, he can write very good logic. Are you a fresher? I have 10 years experience. I didn't understand the requirement. You are a fresher. You understand the requirement properly from the customer. Definitely, I'm sure you can write very good logics. Who can understand the requirement? They can write very good logic. Why take 2 days time to me? I didn't understand the requirement. I understand the requirement partially, not fully. Who can understand the requirement partially, end to end? They can write very good logics. And seriously, this is what. So that don't underestimate anybody. So everybody can write the logics. Everybody capable of doing some coding. Definitely everybody can do. So maybe you people are thinking that I'm not. No, everybody can do this. Only thing is what? You have to understand the requirement. If you can understand, who can understand the requirement better? They can write better logic. Simple thing. By seeing the person, 10 years on the experience, so he may write very good logic. Don't expect like this. I may have 10 years. I don't know everything. You have 1 year. You know many things. You may be very good in coding. I may be very good in designing. Right? Everybody has their own talent, kada. Right? So, if you are unable to code, you can do designing. You are very good in video editing. I'm very good in some other editing. So, I'm very good in Photoshop images creation. So, don't bother about it. Okay? Lot of options are there. So, ultimately, why I'm telling you this, it's a creativity. Completely the designing is what? Creative job. Why I have to do like this? Why you have to do like this? You have to learn the things like this. So if I apply the property like this, what happen? If I apply the property like this, what is happening? I just want to know about it. This is what our concept. Okay, this is just our concept of it, guys. Okay, so lot of properties are there, but we have to apply. This is all come by practice. If I just say border 3 values, my test session is complete. I can go for margins and paddings, right? We can complete it. But it's always a creative job. So we have to think in a creative manner. Nakila kavali, I need like this. What is the property I have tried? Think like this. I'm sure you will do many things in the designing also. Designing is really very easy to learn, but very tough to satisfy the customer with the design you did, you created. Ultimate goal at the end of it, you are going to design, you have to satisfy the design with the customer. The design should be satisfied with the customer. Then only you are a very good developer, very good designer. Of course, any company, most of the designs will be like this only, right? Right. Border, I'm taking this is going to be bottom left, bottom right. Yeah, I just want to take this. So now what is going to be happen? Oh, this is coming like this. Fine. Let us keep the same thing. I don't want to change it. Border bottom, border right. Then this time what is going to be happen now? This will be like this. Border bottom, border left if we can take, only left. Then what is going to be happen now? This is coming like this. Guys, at the end of it, you think how you want to make these designs. Okay, I'm just playing with the different values. So you want this in a groove, 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 and you want to make this is going to be ridge ridge. Just if you can go and refresh the page now, you see it will become like this double border. So if you want to take the color is going to be yellow, and this is going to be something called green, green, green border. Color combination should be very important. Don't take opposite colors always. Take always the colors which is going to be light colors, dark colors. For example, as I told you earlier, yellow shirt to red pant. If I wear, how I am going to look like? You are getting laughed, right? Our designs also should never get laughed by others. You have to use better color combination always. You are going for shopping. I think everybody did it before Pongal, right? You have a better color combination, right? Yeah, same way here also. Combination should be very nice. So better color combinations. At the end of the day, how they can say my design is very good? You are developing, you are doing a design. Once design is complete, we have to show the customer. The customer will say, you did a very good job. How they will say very good job? Ante the color, first thing, they won't see the content. First, they will see the color combination. The color combination play a vital role in the designing. And first thing, color combination, we should know very well. If I use the, customer will tell you. If you don't know color, customer will tell you, sir, what is your primary color in the website? If you can ask me, if you can ask the customer, customer will say, my primary color is red color. Oh, red color ante, what is the alternative colors I can use besides the red? That we have to think it. What is the best combination for red? Customer is saying that light green. What is the color combination for the light green? Customer will say like this one. You don't know color codes. You know only the color codes. You are going to know the color codes. So what is the best combination for this? For this, they will provide a lot of websites also, guys. Here, actually, there is some websites are there. Color combos. If you don't know, you just go for the color combos. And this is one website where we will see what is the color. The primary color is what? Yeah, for example, these are the color combos. For example, if you are using this color as a primary, what are other colors I can use besides that? That's what the combination. If you don't know, if customer says red color, search for the red color and see the alternatives of the red. I mean, combination of the red, not alternative, combination of red color. Now, what is the best color for the red? So is there any way? Yeah, you see, there is a red color here. This is not pure red, I believe. This is some other red color. And you will see different color codes are there. So this is some other color. I need this color. If I click this color, they will show you the combination of these colors. Can you see the combination of these colors? What others I can use? Is there any combination? I think color code only they are giving. I think they are not giving the combination. Combo. How do I get the combo here of this color? So other alternative colors of this. Maybe we have to check it. Random color, random. Maybe. Oh, this is not combo. This is the combo. If I click the combo, yeah, these are the combos where we can use. What is the primary color? What is the lowest colors, other colors we can use with the color? For example, this color, middle color, 294052 is the primary color. What other colors I can combine with this website? We will just get this clarity. And no one will tell us, use this color, use that color. No one will tell us. We have to decide what is the best color. What is the best color with this combination? Okay, right. Okay, chalo. So this way we can get the color combinations also. And this is what the border property. One more property, guys, here. Uh, let us use comment. I'm keeping all these in comment. Quickly keep the comment. Let me talk about outline also, and just refresh the page. This is going to be a box. Let us write the border. Border 10 pixel solid, sorry, dashed red. You know, right? Semicolon, not colon, right? Done. If I refresh, border is added. There is a property called outline. See the difference. Where outline will apply, where border will apply. Outline and border. If I refresh the page, can you see where is outline? Border. There we have a box. Box inside, border apply. Box outside, outline applied. And if we can provide outline, so outline is outside of the box. Border is always inside of the box. Same values again. So same values you can write dotted, green, and everything. Same dashed, everything we can write here for the outline also. But outline top, outline border, there is no value. So only outline is a property. Outline means it will apply all the four sides to it. Then this is outline property. So like this we can apply the properties, guys, here, right? Check it. Just you can try to play with some values so that you will understand. Hey, sir, not only one element, and can't we take multiple elements? You can take multiple elements also. For example, if I copy the same div second time, third time, and fourth time, then what is going to be happen now? 4 times block I taken. So for all the 4 times, what is going to be applied? 4 times 4 blocks are coming now. 4 times 4 blocks are coming. So I want different designs for it. 4 times in the sense I don't want this outline and border. Wait for a second. Let me keep this into comment. So not only one box, man, you can write multiple also. Let us enable the same thing. Enable the same thing. Now if you can go and refresh the page now, you see all the 4 are coming like this. Sir, it's better to bring side by side, sir. They're all coming one by one. So let us arrange them horizontally. See, I'm getting the idea. By seeing the design, I'm getting a thought. Remember always, when you are practicing CSS, write one line of code, see the output. Why I'm telling you? Because of writing this property, what happened, I want to know. Write the second property, see the output immediately. Write the third property, see the output immediately. Many of the people, what they will do, they will write all the properties, they will execute the code. What property does what, we don't know. This is not correct. You should learn, write one property, check the output, write second property, check the output. After you become some professional, you can write all the properties, because you know, if I write this property, what happened, if I write the property, what happened, we know already. So we can do it very easily. Okay, this is good practice. So how do I bring them side by side? Okay, float right to float left. Okay, so you people are saying that one property to me, there is a float left or right. Okay, float left or right. Because of writing this, they're all coming side by side. Again you are saying that, sir, I need some gap between the, they all look like attached together. No, I don't want to make them to attach together. I need some gap between the box and box. See, by seeing the design, I'm getting these thoughts. This is what learning designing. నాకు ఇలా కావాలి, అలా కావాలి, దానికి ఏంటి, what is the property for it? Think like this, definitely you can do very good design. ఎప్పుడు కూడా you watch some other website. In that website there is some design I seen, sir, I need the same design in my website also, right? We are creating a replica of that website into your website. I want to create a website like IRCTC, I want to create a website like Amazon, I want to create a website like Flipkart. Take it as a challenge right now. You started creating the same thing. It's always a good practice. So, and now onwards, you have to put an aim. I want to create a website like this, I want to create a website like this. What is the agenda for it? After 5-6 sessions completed, maybe you are ready to work with the designs. I will help you, and everybody take one website as a assignment and complete the same website. If you are stuck anywhere, I will help you, but taking initiative is from your end. Okay, right? So okay, I need some gap, right? How we can provide some gap here? By using margin property. This margin property we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Margins and borders, we will discuss them tomorrow. Float left also we can use for making side by side. For bringing side by side, we can use display inline block also. Display is a property with a value inline block, inline hyphen block. Display inline block we can apply. Now you will see some gap is there. Inline block is giving some gap automatically. Float left is not giving the gap automatically, right? Okay, but I need more gap. I need more gap than this. How do we do? That's we will see in the next sessions. Okay, right. Tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Session is there or not? What is your preference? You want to come or you want to take leave? Hmm?
Leave, sir.
Seriously?
We
Okay.
want leave, sir.
Somebody saying that leave. What do you say? What shall we do? Class. Okay.
Class.
No class? Yes, sir?
Yes, class, sir. Yes.